Hi, everybody. I just wanted to walk you through the Budgeting Basics bundle. Just want to walk you through the different worksheets that I have in here. And these are worksheets that I created that I wish I had when I got on my journey to working to pay off my debt. So, what I wanted to do is kind of create formal worksheets that will help you get onto the path of getting your financial house organized and starting on the journey to working to pay off debt. So first is the financial snapshot worksheet, and you start by filling out what your income sources is. So whether that should be your 9 to 5, if you're an entrepreneur, your business, any type of payment such as maybe alimony, things of that nature, go ahead and put the name. So employer, maybe it may be, AT&T, or put your business name in there. How often you in payment cycle, put in, how often you're getting paid. So if it's your 9 to 5 biweekly, if you're an entrepreneur, if it's once a month, that's reoccurring, then go ahead and put that information in the payment cycle and then put the dollar amount. So it's good to see what all income sources that you currently have. And then the next part of the financial snapshot worksheet is listing out all the debt that you have. So credit cards, student loans, if you have any high interest, high interest loans, things of that nature. Type, put that in the type field. So put the company name, put the balance as it is right now, put what the interest rate is, and put the monthly payment is. And that is helping you get a understanding of what your big picture is financially. And then the next thing is doing your filling out your retirement. So if you got a 401k, you're a teacher, you got a 403b, putting what type, put that type. So like type would be 401k, and put the company that you have it with, just to give you a good picture of where all your retirement accounts are, so you can have that information readily available. And then in the accounts field, that's where you put, your checking, your savings account. So I would just put like checking, fill that in, put in company. So if you got JP Morgan Chase, put that in, and just what the current balance is. And then also just a pro tip, if you have like a flexible spending account or a HSA account, also put that information and the amount in the accounts field as well. So that's a quick overview on how to fill out the financial snapshot worksheet. So then we move over to the monthly expenses, and I would just put the month that you went ahead and you downloaded this bundle, and just for that month, list out all your expenses that you have to pay. So put the date that it's due, put the name of the expense. So like if it's your cell phone bill, if it is your student loan payments, electric bill, rent, put all of your monthly expenses on this sheet, and then put what the amount owed is for that month. And so from there, you take your monthly expenses, and for me, I get paid biweekly. So let's say I go ahead and put my next pay date, and I put all the expenses that are due within that specific pay period, and I'm putting the amount that is due in the amount paid column. And then as soon as it clears my account, I go ahead and mark it off as cleared. Just want to also say about monthly expenses is make sure that you put in your self-care items. Um, for me, I will put in, I'm currently wearing my hair braided. So, putting in the expense of me getting my hair braided. Also, I am still working to get some care for back and neck issues. So I'm putting in the expense of me getting acupuncture. Like we need to start putting our self-care items into our expenses and understanding where our money is going and being able to factor that into our monthly expenses so that we're not playing the guessing game when we're working to create a budget. So just a quick pro tip is, take a look at your latest bank statement and see where you're spending your money at. And then from there taking that specific dollar amount and starting to work to put those specific spending categories, items that you're spending money on, start budgeting for that. So you're not just playing the guessing game when you're working to create your budget. So yeah, so go ahead and put your expenses in your monthly budget by, your specific pay dates. If you're an entrepreneur and you only get paid once a month, just divide it up between the first and the 15th, and then the 15th and the end of the month for your pay dates, and then all the expenses that are due within those specific date ranges is a tip. So I hope this information was helpful and was a great overview of how to utilize the budgeting basics bundle. Thank you so much.